Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your account will be deleted in 20 or 29 or 26 these Google or Gmail problem. So if you're seeing message like your account will be deleted in 28 days in your Gmail account, it means that Google has marked your account for deletions, likely due to inactivity, policy violations, or manual deletion requests. So why this happened? There are a few possible reasons. Maybe Google thinks that your account is inactive, so Google deletes account that haven't been used for 2 years. And there's also manual deletion request. If you or someone else requested to delete the account, it enters a 30 days recovery period before permanent deletions. And your account might also have been flagged for spamming, suspicious activity, or policy violations. Or maybe someone else tried to delete your account, or if it was suspended, it might be in the deletion phase. So how to fix and recover your account. So if you are requested to delete the account, you can recover it within 30 days. So you can just go to the Google account recovery. Here I'm going to just open in my browser. So go to these accounts. Sorry. Account dot Google. So this one, sign in / recovery. Okay, so you can just go to this page right here, and then after that you can just enter your Gmail and phone number linked to the account, and then just follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity. So if successful, your account will be reactivated immediately. But if Google mark your account for deletion due to inactivity, so to prevent this, you need to log in into your Google account as soon as possible, and then use any Google services like Gmail, YouTube, Drive to show some activity. If you still see the deletion warning, you can visit the Google account recovery and follow the steps. Okay, next, if your account was suspended for a policy violation, you can check your email for a message from Google about the reason for suspension. And if you believe it was a mistake, you can just appeal to Google. Just visit Google account appeal, or just find the Google account appeal form. Sorry. Okay, after that, you can just submit a request with proof that your account was wrongly flagged and wait for Google's response. It might be take a few days to weeks. But if your account was hacked and marked for deletions, you need to immediately try account recovery, and after recovering it, change your password and enable two-step verification for security. And after that, you can review your recent activity and remove unknown devices. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.